Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I'm going to give you an example of finding the estimation for the population proportion. So this is about population proportion, which is equal to P. Okay, so we're going to estimate the value of P. So in this example here, a teacher is interested to know the proportion of students that will immediately start working to support the families instead of pursuing their studies. Okay, so the event of interest is start working to support the family. So this is the event of interest. Okay. Now the population of interest is all 1,500 students in Form 5 in a small district of Air Hitam. So we are going to denote this number here with capital N. So capital N represents the population size. Okay. A sample with 500 students is randomly selected. So this is the value of small n. And 200 of them answered that they will be working immediately after school. So this is the event of interest, immediately working. Okay, so immediately working to support the families. So 200 of them answered that they will be working immediately. So this is the value of x. So recall that in order to estimate the population proportion, so P is equal to P hat. P hat is the sample proportion, and sample proportion is equal to x over n, where x here is the number of events that occurred. So 210 is the number of students that express their interest to work immediately after school. So x is 210 and the small n here is equal to 500. Okay, so we are just going to plug in the values. So we have 200 over 500, and you will get that the answer is equal to 0.42. Okay, so this is quite straightforward. Right, next we're going to estimate how many students will be working right after school. So here we need to use the information from this part, which is the size of the population. The teacher is interested to know how many students will be working right after school. This is 210 here is the number of students in that sample that express their interest to work immediately. So now how about the population? Okay, how about if we look at the population, what is the number of students that will be working immediately after school? Therefore, we can say that the number of students that will be working right after school is going to be equal to P hat, which is 0.42, times with the population size. Okay, so we will get 0.42 times 1,500, and this is the number which is equal to 630. So this is the number of students that is expected or that is estimated to be working right after school. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you very much for watching.